Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about outrageous ideas for your how to be a network marketing millionaire. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about outrageous ideas for your how to be a network marketing millionaire, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The link to my website is in the description box below this video. Outrageous ideas for your how to be a network marketing millionaire. Let's be honest, many of the outrageous ideas for your how to be a network marketing millionaire are BS. There are just too many ways to make a fortune as a network marketer, and this book will help you avoid a lot of the BS. If you read my reviews, you will know that I avoid what I call the massive business scams and instead look at the right track to success. You should be cautious but not too much. This book is for you. Here are some examples of things you can do in this book to build up your inbound links. It is based on true stories and the recommendations are taken from affiliate marketers that have been successful. This book helps you build your downline. One of the things you can do is to write about something you are passionate about and share it with others. Network marketing is all about building relationships and building your downline. You want to put yourself in the place of your prospects and see them as real people. Tell the truth. This is one way to make sure that the positive and negative comments on your articles don't ruin your reputation. Make sure that every article has your signature block at the bottom with a link back to your site. If you get complaints, you can either take care of it or make changes that can help. If you have an idea for a product or service that you think is going to be big, then it is a good idea to look at other products or services in the same niche. You may be able to pick one up at a fraction of the cost. Right? You see, the bigger the niche, the cheaper it is to start. Now think about that for a second. You can get free ebooks, e-courses, training videos, tools, all at a very low cost if you want them now. One caveat here is that you need to check out my reviews. When you are on the right track, you need to keep on the right track. One way to do this is to check out my affiliates. ClickBank will give you a list of the top 20, so you can start there. Remember that if you have your own website, you need to use it as an avenue to promote your new product. You can submit your webmaster info to ClickBank and they will let you know if they like your website. Then you can let them know how you can provide assistance and keep them posted on your activities. You can also get paid for site advertising. This is a bit more than we covered in this book, but I hope it will help you get started and get some of these outrageous ideas for your how to be a network marketing millionaire. Please let me know if you have any questions. How to do network marketing online. Here is what you need to know. Many people have a great idea for how to do network marketing online. Some people are very good at finding great clients and building a business, while others get their product in front of the right people at the right time. To build a successful business online, you should focus on two things. First, you need to build a list, and second, you need to market your product to the right people at the right time. If you focus on these two things, you will be well on your way to online success. Building a list is the best way to go about how to do network marketing online. The only catch is that it takes a little bit of work and knowledge to find the right people to tap into a list. It is a great way to sell products and generate income over time. When building a list, you need to find the right niche. Find something that you believe in and know a lot about. This is very important. Finally, if you want to learn how to do network marketing online the right way, you will need to market your product and not try to sell anything at all. I would like to take the emphasis off of selling because this will drive up your costs. The best thing you can do is to find products that you are passionate about and can talk about and know a lot about. There are some great websites that have all of this information for you. But I would like to direct you to a company that I am an affiliate with called Niche Network. This is a great product and will help you make a lot of money. Thanks for watching my video about outrageous ideas for your how to be a network marketing millionaire. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.